Electrical engineering is the study of electricity and how we use it to power homes, machines, and electronic devices. The answer is electrical engineering. It is the branch of engineering that deals with electricity and electrical systems. Electrical engineers generate electricity, transmit it through power lines, control it safely, and make it useful for our daily lives. From the lights in our homes to fans, mobile phones, laptops, solar panels, traffic signals, and electric vehicles, electrical engineering is all around us. In this channel, we will learn electrical engineering from the very basics, using simple words and real-life examples. Subscribe, and let's start this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Have a great day.